The magic of augmented reality.
And to create the S9, we completely reimagined the camera and built an amazing phone around it.
The camera itself can process 4 times as much image data as before to minimize noise and create a noticeably clear image in low light. The S9 has a dual aperture smartphone camera that's actually designed to work like the human eye. With super slow-mo, you can record videos at an incredible 960 frames per second. Video on the left is normal slow-mo. The one on the right is super slow-mo on the Galaxy S9 camera. Creating my AR emoji. And there it is.